In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to your Wix website. If you've been looking to integrate your Instagram content directly onto your site to keep it fresh and engaging, then you've come to the right place. This guide is straightforward and will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to access your Wix website editor. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to the Wix website, and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, choose the website you want to edit and click on the Edit Site button. This will take you into the versatile Wix editor, where you'll make all the changes. Now that you're in the editor, turn your attention to the left-hand panel and find the Add Apps option. Click on this to open the Wix App Market. The App Market is your go-to place for finding and integrating various applications into your site, offering functionality ranging from e-commerce to social media feeds. Once the App Market is opened, you'll see a search bar. Type in Instagram feed and hit enter. This action will bring up several options related to Instagram feeds that you can add to your website. Browse through the results and locate the app that simply states Instagram feed. Click on it to review its features and feedback from other users. This app is specifically designed for integrating an Instagram feed seamlessly onto your Wix site. After reviewing and deciding that this app suits your needs, click on the Add to Site button. This action will initiate the installation process and take you back to your Wix editor. Don't worry, the app will be automatically added to your site, and the setup process is intuitive and straightforward. Once the app is added, you'll notice a placeholder for the Instagram feed on your page. Click on this placeholder to open the settings. In the menu that appears, choose Account Settings. This part is essential because you will connect your Instagram account to the feed here. Click on Connect and follow the on-screen instructions to log into your Instagram account and grant the necessary permissions. With your account connected, you'll have more options, including adjusting elements and layouts to your liking. Click on Elements to choose what parts of the Instagram feed to display, such as the number of images and their arrangement. Layout lets you customize how the feed appears visually on your site, ensuring it matches the overall design theme. Finally, click on Design to style the feed. Here you can alter colors, and other stylistic aspects to make sure it aligns perfectly with your site's aesthetics. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated your Instagram feed into your Wix website. Now your visitors can enjoy the dynamic content directly from your Instagram profile, which can help keep your site updated and engaging.